I saw them walk into the restroom, and I fell asleep. I'm so glad I have that. Hey, hey.
Oh, I knew somebody was back.
Damn it. Pull over.
I seen him coming.
Oh. Oh ho ho. Yo, that was crazy. Okay.
I see him, I see him, I see him.
Oh my god. I seen him. He was racing.
No.
Christ, dude.
Holy shoot, what happened?
Oh, I don't know. Flat tire?
Oh, I'm so glad we weren't in the middle of that. Holy cow, we gotta go help some people, baby, if we can.
Holy crap.
Get my shoes on. Let's go make sure everybody's okay. Especially
Stay in the car, kids. Do not
stay in the
get
car.
out.
Do not get out, guys, okay? Promise me.
Do not get out, okay?
We're not.
Okay.
For him, not you. Exactly. It's for so what's going?
You won't back up to 10 feet, so I can pull into the parking space so you can get around me.
Yeah, I'm not filming your face. Okay.
Yeah, that's whatever. Yeah, he's just refusing to move for me to get out of the way.
I'll go
if
ask
you
him.
can convince him to move up so I can get around
Yeah.
him, then whatever.
Sir, I can get you. Hey, look, I can help you get out. If you could just back up 10 feet and move in there, he can move around you. If you could do that, please, sir, and then we can get.
Call the police.
No, we don't need the police, sir. Please, sir, I'm disabled. I'll help you get out of here, buddy. Please, I'm disabled too, sir. I want to help you. Okay, I'm not going to carry on with this. Hey, sir, I'm sorry. I'm disabled too. He's somewhat disabled. He keeps telling me to call the police. I don't want to do that.
That's what he's doing to me, too.
So, I don't want to call the police for this sort of nonsense.
No,
It's not worth
it's
your
pointless
time.
when he can move 10 feet and I can get her, like, what he wants, he asked me to back up and move over so he can get close to a fence.
I know. I don't know if he's got. I don't know why he's doing this or what. You know. But it's this sort of stuff I like to film in my community, just sort of show them the madness that goes on here. I'll try one more time.
This is just a joke, like.
Hey, you seem like a gentleman, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry about it.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
I'll try one more time, sir. Come on. Sir, please. Please, sir. I'm begging you. I'm disabled too. I want to help you. Okay? I want to help you, buddy. We don't need the police, sir.
Call the police, please.
Why do you need the police, sir?
I'm desperate. I'm in danger. I feel danger. I feel threatened by him.
He seems like a gentleman. Sir, you're a gentleman. He's a gentleman. There's no need for this. Sir, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to leave then. Okay, well, take care, sir.